Hey everyone, it's Bella and today's video is going to be on this super quick 10-minute everyday makeup look. This is my go-to everyday makeup look, so I've used all my holy grails and I've also included a little bit of skincare because you guys have been requesting it, and I just decided I would get ready with you and show you guys what I do for my everyday routine. So basically the skincare I use before I put my makeup on, and then my makeup, and then I'm at the door. So if you guys are interested in my everyday makeup routine and a little bit of skincare, then please just keep on watching. Oh no, beautiful. So I just have these like little patches on. These are from Skin with White, Iceland, and they basically just like get rid of your laugh lines, because I get the worst laugh lines during the day, and I'm going to be wearing this makeup all day. So I don't want any laugh lines. Alright, so I sillily, while the patches were on, did my eyebrows because I still have to do my skincare. I thought that I would include that in this tutorial for you guys if you were curious. So I'm basically just wetting my face with a wet washcloth right now, because for my cleanser your face has to be wet. So that's what I'm doing, and now I'm grabbing my cleanser. I actually just bought a new one like 5 minutes ago because I ran out. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser, and I'm just going to use it on this little brush thing here. It's so new that I have to take this little thing off. So I don't know if you guys know, but I hate touching my face with my hands. So I bought this thing, which is from, let me just check, it's from Vanity Planet. So it's from Vanity Planet, and it like comes with 3 different like little head thingies. I keep them all in here to keep them nice and sanitary, and then I like clean them every time I use them and stuff. Literally they're the softest things ever, but this is so I don't have to touch my face with my hands. I didn't want to spend like $300 on Clarisonics. It is seriously the most affordable thing ever. I got like 70% off. I found a discount code online. The discount code was like Healthy Glow. It was like completely capitals. If you guys want to know the discount code, I'll leave that in the description box as well for you guys to check out. But I have the most sensitive skin ever. And anyway, you can tell I just started using it because it's like all bringing everything to the top of my skin. So I have a few little pimples right now. I'm going to use the other side to just dry my face. I just thought I would include my skincare in this for you guys because this is basically my everyday makeup routine, like the makeup that I wear every day. And I always do this now every day. I don't know if you guys know, but I have like the most sensitive, I'm not even on camera talking to you guys, but I have the most sensitive skin in the whole wide world. So many skincare products give me this like terrible rash, like a really, really, really horrible rash. It's like red, itchy, bumpy, really, really hot. So hot that my eyes water. So I finally found these like skincare products that don't break me out. And so that's another reason why I don't put the batteries in this, because I'm scared that like it'll give me my rash or like break me out, because I have like the most sensitive skin ever. So now I've just changed the little head to exfoliate, and I'm using the Ocean Salt Facial Scrub from Lush. So this brush is like silicone, which means it's quick drying and it resists bacteria, which is really good because you don't want any bacteria in your skin. So basically the reason like I like the silicone one, as I was talking about, is because it is super gentle on the skin, and I have really sensitive skin. Like I just said, I'm just going to pop a little bit on there. I have like really sensitive skin, as I said, so I definitely wanted something silicone because I didn't want anything that was going to make my exfoliating too harsh on my skin or anything like that. It's also super easy to clean, and that is what spoke to me, because it's a lot more hygienic than using like makeup brushes or anything like that, and I don't like bacteria on my hands. Usually I will I have a hand sanitizer from Soap and Glory, which I always put on my hands before I start my makeup and stuff like that, so I don't get any bacteria on, which is why I like this. I feel like I might need a new exfoliator though, because this one is like super harsh on my skin. Normally I use a different one, which is like way, way, way softer on my skin. but that's at Kerry's. So if ever I don't have it on me, I swap between this one and the other one. Yeah, as I said, I have really sensitive skin, so I don't use skincare until recently. I've always wanted a skincare routine, like always wanted a skincare routine. I was just too scared that like products were gonna break me out and stuff, which is why I didn't use them. So now I'm gonna like take that with me wherever I go and travel and stuff. I'm going to Sydney soon, so I'm just so excited to like be able to use skincare and stuff like that. Okay, so now to get into the makeup, I'm just gonna give myself a little spritz with primer. And for foundation, I'm going in with my NARS Sheer Glow foundation. This is my everyday makeup routine, so if you guys have seen these products before, I apologize, but these are like my holy grail products. The makeup I've noticed as well, ever since I started using skincare, my makeup goes on so much smoother. It's amazing. I also should have mentioned, because you guys can't see it in the video, but I don't put this makeup on straight after I do my... Oh, my brush just broke. I don't put my makeup on straight after my skincare. I usually like go and make myself breakfast and like let it all sink into my skin before I start doing this. And I also use a moisturizer. I use the Nourish moisturizer from Kate Somerville. And this brush is from Iconic London. I just like to use this one because it like makes the foundation look like it's your skin. Like it blends it in so well, never cakey, not even around here. Makeup always gets cakey around here, but with this brush it doesn't. It just looks like super flawless, like your skin. And for my concealer, I'm using the Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay. This is in medium light neutral. Make a cool design. And you're ready. My concealer brush that I always use, I switch between this is Morphe E23, and also the Airbrush Concealer Brush from Models Prefer. I love that one. I'm going to set my under eyes and also the rest of my face. I just use the Face of Australia Translucent Loose Powder. First, just set my under eyes using this. This is from Models Prefer. It's a highlight contour brush. And now I'm just using this IT Cosmetics number 8 brush to set the rest of my face. I always set the rest of my face because I feel like it makes powder products go on a lot easier. Stops your face from your laugh lines from creasing or getting oily throughout the day. Now for my bronzer and my contour, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Contour Kit in the light to medium, and I'm just going to mix these two shades here. I'm just using my very dirty 126 Luxe Cheek Finish brush from Zoeva. And kind of just mix contour and bronzer right, because I don't really define my face too much. What? I swear someone just flushed the toilet but no one's home. I'm so confused right now. Should I be worried? A little bit on the jawbone because I ate too many fries yesterday. A little bit of... I'm not in focus. Hello. There we go. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of blush. This is Justify My Love from Too Faced. Just going to open it first. It's fine. There we go. Oh my god, no! My banana powder! No! The one thing I wouldn't want to break. Why do bad things happen to good people? That's my question. Anyway, is it even a Bella Fiore tutorial without Australia's banana powder? No, it's not. So I'm gonna go have to buy a new one. Man, that's the most disappointing thing that I've ever experienced in my life. Oh, I'm also going to use the same contour kit just to give a little bit of definition to my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm just picking up this shade on the edge. And this brush is from Eka. It comes in a 13-piece brush set, so doesn't have a name or anything. If I wasn't recording and I was just doing this by myself, I could literally get this done in 10 minutes flat. Like, no joke. This takes me no time whatsoever. Sometimes you're just in a rush and you want to get out the door, you know? Because I'm one of those people that always make plans last minute. Like, I never make plans in advance, so I kind of need like a makeup look that takes me 10 minutes because I'm like, yeah, let's go to wherever, and then I'm like, shit, I gotta go do my makeup. A little bit of mascara. This is from Essence. No, if you were wondering, you shouldn't really put mascara on eyelash extensions, but mine are like on their last leg, you know. Mascara just makes them not last as long. Again, for my lips, I'm just going to use Candy K from Kylie Cosmetics. Normally I use Dose of Colors Truffle, but it's just disappeared on me. I just don't know where it is. So Candy K is pretty close, so I'm just using Candy K. And that's it. That's everything for this tutorial. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!